Hello everyone, welcome to my February Happy Mail haul, aka cards that you guys have sent in. All the info is always in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog, and then I have a whole playlist of all of these videos for the last, it's been over a couple of years now that we've been doing this. So these are cards you guys sent to me to my P.O. box last month. So let's just get right into it because I am late thanks to my laptop crashing and all those fun technical issues. So I got this one from Lise. Really like this like shimmery, yeah, you can see the shimmery background and shimmery mermaid. So pretty. Mermaid wishes and starfish kisses. And it like totally coordinates perfectly with the envelope as well, the card base. Love. So that. And then we have this one from Sabine. I still keep meaning to use this. I know this is that MFT marble background stamp. I love the look of it. I need to pull it out and use it. And then the Simon I Love You die cut. So pretty. Love the colors. I just love the look of that background stamp. It's so nice. Love that one. And then we have this one from Angela. Really like that striped. I think I still have some of this striped ribbon in my stash. Super cute. I love how it's like all in like aquas and blues and then the pop of red. Very cute. Fabulous. And then this one from Brenda K. Little thank you. There we go. It's kind of slid along the ribbons. Yeah, thank you. Your kindness warms my heart. I really like it. That's so cute. And I like that sentiment with the cozy like little sweater and toucan mitts. I just think that's so perfect. So I really like that. So yeah, that one from Brenda. And then I've got this one from Nikki. I really like this background. Like, so fun with this foiled splatter. I've been staring at this since I opened the envelope and I'm like, this is just kind of mesmerizing. Really like this. So yeah, made with love. And then yeah, the really pretty, really like that envelope too. It just goes perfectly with this. So pretty. That one. And then this one from Angela L with all these fun little love hearts popped up. I like how you heat embossed the hearts on the background as well in that darker pink embossing powder. That's just fun. I really like that. And then the inside with the stamped little heart. Really cute. With that one. And then this one from Lori R. And I've mentioned this in previous videos. If you guys want to send like for multiple months, like say March, April, May, or whatever, you can include them all in one envelope. I'm totally okay with that. It does help though if you label them. Just, it saves me that extra step of having to do it. And then I just save those when the, you know, envelope of cards arrives. Any of the ones that are marked for, you know, upcoming months, I just set them aside in my container and then I pull them out when it's time. So this is a much larger card with its own envelope. I love how it's the little dandelion blossoms and then they're, you know, trailing on the card or on the envelope. Just gives it that extra something. So yeah, scatter seeds of kindness. Really like how you did the inside as well. That's really pretty. So pretty. I love that. That one. And then this one was from Natalie R in Australia. It's really pretty. And same thing. Little flowers stamped on the envelope. It just gives it that extra something. So yeah. This is really smooth cardstock, by the way. Like really smooth. You know, you work with paper crafts when you're just like, feeling all the paper. So yeah, and I like how like a lot of you line the inside of your cards. I never do that, but yet it does give that extra something. You know, a lot of store-bought cards have that, and it does give it an extra something to add that to homemade cards. I like that. I'll need to start thinking about that sometimes. So yeah, very pretty. And then this one from Angelica C. This cute, I like how you, the umbrella, I can't even talk today, is opened up so that it's a shaker with all the little heart sequins. I really like that. So sending happy thoughts your way. Really cute. Really cute. So you got that one. And then we've got this one from Rubina. This gorgeous, gorgeous, you know, it almost looks cloudy at the base and then into a night sky. I love how that looks. And then of course some splatter. And the little yellow birds just like pop. As well as the sentiment. I really like that. That's so much fun. And then yeah, die cut with the scallop. Love that too. Love. Love that one. And then last but certainly not least, these are from Carmen. A very close friend of mine. I gave them a ton of my card making supplies, things that I don't use anymore, that are retired, etc., etc. And her daughter have kind of got into card making. So Carmen wanted to send a pile of cards for the Happy Mail haul. So I'll just show a few of them here because I promised her that I would. And yeah, she has picked up that I'm very fond of coffee and coffee themed things. So she made all these fun little like coffee themed cards. I feel so empty without you. Yeah, first coffee and I heart coffee cup. I think you are so wild, wildling. Yeah, I'm more like crazy, so yeah. Thank you, Carmen. These are awesome. So cute. So cute. So yes, we have a budding card maker on our hands, and I'm sure we'll be seeing more of her awesome little cards in future Happy Mail hauls. So this was a rather short one compared to others, but as always, I just love sharing what shows up in my P.O. box every month. And yeah, people have been asking if I would do like a specific video because we do themes every month. I say this in each one though. I'm not a stickler for the themes just because things can take forever to get to me in Canada. Sometimes they show up quickly, sometimes they take forever. So I'm not a huge stickler like whether they're part of the theme or not, but I always list the themes as well, like my mailing address and the themes and everything is in the description box below the video as well as on my blog. But people have been asking if I'll do like maybe a card making video or make a card like in this video, you know, for the theme. I've thought about it. A lot of times I'm already making cards that suit those themes and they're already on my channel. So it just kind of depends. When it's shorter ones like this, I could include like making a card. I'm just, after my computer crash last week and everything just is completely upended, I can't even think straight right now. So I will try to be more organized. We'll see in future videos what happens. But right now my main focus is just getting things filmed and put on my channel and continue working and whatever. So we will just see, but I want to keep showing, of course, all these awesome cards that you guys send because they are fabulous. So that's it for me for now, and be sure to just check things out if you would like to participate and have your cards shown on my channel. And yeah, I will see you all very soon in another video. Thank you all so much. Those that sent in things, those that haven't, or if you want to, feel free. But for the rest of you, if you would leave some love in the comments below this video, on my blog, on Facebook when I share this, etc. Leave comments, any questions, etc. for people because they can read them and respond if they need to about what they used or what they did or whatever. So yeah, leave some love for them below. I'm sure they would love to be able to read that. And I will see you all very soon in another video.